Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how I got my 4B/4C hair to look this defined. So first I went ahead and washed my hair with the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash off camera. I don't think this line has a regular conditioner, so I did go ahead and put the leave-in conditioner right after. And for the braid out, which you can tell by the title of the video, I'll be using the Twist Defining Cream and also the Double Butter Cream. Before I start the style, I'm just going to spray my hair with water because it did get a little dry. After I sprayed it with the amount of water that I wanted, I'm just going to add some leave-in conditioner. So for the best results, it says to use the double buttercream first and then follow it with the twist defining cream. As always, I'm going to start in the back of my hair. I see a lot of videos with people starting in the front, and I feel like that's a pet peeve for me. Like, it really annoys me to see people start at the front of their hair. For this braid out, I did decide to do my hair in larger sections. I think I've seen somewhere like the larger the sections are, the more defined it comes out or something like that. And I was also feeling lazy, so yeah, that explains the big, huge parts that you'll see. Here's the final look of my braids. As you can see, like the ends of my hair, it's still out a little bit because I don't braid to the end, like all the way to the end. I usually braid and then I'll twirl the ends around my finger. Please excuse my bonnet mark across my forehead. I think I tied it a little too tight. But I do want to add that my hair was completely dry. Like, I don't think y'all understand. Usually the morning after, my hair is still damp, but I was excited to take this out because it was so dry. When you're taking down a braid out or a twist out, it's best to use like an oil or some type of moisturizer. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the Moisture Milk. And I did use a little bit because, like I said, my hair was dry, and this is very rare. So I was about to get the pick and fluff it out some more, but then I decided, let me not really touch it because then I'll cause like a lot of frizz. guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.